Hello, this is Andy with Brighter Idea. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your payment gateway inside of GoHighLevel. Let's get started. There are two ways to add your payment gateway to HighLevel. The first way is relatively easy. All you need to do is go to Launchpad, scroll down to Stripe, and click Connect. It'll open up a Stripe window, and you'll put in your email address, click Submit, put in your password. If you're using Stripe already, you'll get a code in order to log in. After you've put in the code, you'll be invited to connect to the system. Click Connect. And that's how you integrate Stripe. It's very simple, very straightforward. But let's say you have another gateway. The way to do that is to click on Payments on the left-hand side, go to Integrations in the top right-hand corner. And then you can choose any one of these providers. For this one, I'll do the manual payments method. I'll click on Connect. I'll click on Custom Payment Method. I'll put in my information, deposit to the bank. Maybe I'll have some instructions for anyone who would do that with me, so I'll just put in test for now and test message. This would be what displays to a customer after they place the order. And then I'll enable this for any form that I choose. In this case, I'm just going to use it for surveys because I'm not really going to use this. And click Save. And that's how I'd integrate a cash method into my system. And then you have all these other choices that you can use. There's PayPal, Authorize on NMI, or Square. And if you need more, all you gotta do is click on Search for More. And then you'll see even more integrations depending on the gateway that you're using. And there are gateways being added all the time. You just click on Install and go through the directions to integrate your gateway. And that's all it takes to integrate payment inside of HighLevel. I'll see you in the next video.